Swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will well and truly exercise the judicial functions.
Under the amended law, officers of the General Court Martial are now appointed by the Commander-in-Chief on the advice of the Judicial Service Commission and are required to take a judicial oath. The reforms also established the Directorate of Military Prosecutions to handle prosecutions before the court. After taking their oath, the newly appointed officers have started work. On its first day back, the court began hearing a case involving 12 accused persons, a UPDF officer and 11 civilians charged with murder, aggravated robbery and kidnap with intent to murder Geoffrey Jama Munyarandizi in Chanamukaka, Masaka district under the Penal Code Act. The matter is before court for plea taking.
Charge sheet. Uganda versus A1 RA 162543, Staff Sergeant Kalamuzi Jotham, a male adult Ugandan of sound mind, aged 49 years, a militant of UPDF attached to 2nd Tokora Battalion, deployed at National Forest Authority as an enforcement officer, Greater Masaka Region, a person subject to military law.
The civilians are being tried under Section 117(1)(a) of the UPDF Act, which allows civilians who voluntarily act as accomplices to UPDF officers to fall under military law. 10 members have been appointed to the restructured court, led by Brigadier General Richard Tukachungura, who replaces Brigadier General Robert Freeman Mugabe. Brigadier General Tukachungura previously served as Judge Advocate of the General Court Martial.
This is a reconstituted General Court Martial manned by lawyers who are professional in the field of law. As you saw, 2 of my colleagues are lawyers. I am a lawyer. We all underwent interviews with the Judicial Service Commission. Chairpersons of the panels, each is qualified to be a High Court judge, and we met those requirements. The other 2 lawyers may not have those qualifications, but they are also on panels. A High Court judge sits as one person, but with the same qualification like I have. So when you have 3 lawyers trying one case, I'm very sure that you should expect much more than even you can expect outside in the civilian courts.
The court is operating with a 2-day cause list in the week ending February 13, 2026, with several cases scheduled before different panels chaired by senior UPDF officers. Joram Paul Sonko, NTV Tonight.